QNT at the time of this recording continues to see higher prices after we continued to hold within our Fibonacci key area of support between the 96.88 and the 75.09 USDT mark. And QNT now seems ready to give us a massive break above the 125.46 USDT mark, which is our next key area of resistance. And on today's update video, I will be discussing my next breakout target areas basing my analysis on the Fibonacci's and the additive structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, my analysis has been that from the lows we made on the 7th of April, we picked impulsively in a 5-wave structure, completing the formation of this larger wave 1. And after we picked in the formation of that first wave, we started a pullback to the downside in the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas have been highlighted on the chart using this blue target area, which is between the 96.88 and the 75.09 USDT mark, an area within which you can see that we got a pullback into, and we got a reaction within the area on the 25th of September, starting the next leg to the upside, which can easily turn out to be the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of that wave 3, using the fib extensions, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that first wave, then dragging the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of that second wave, we can have our first target area on the fib ratios 1:1 above the 163.8 USDT mark. Then we can also pay attention to the fib level 1.618, which lies above the 211.58 USDT mark as our next target areas to the upside, assuming that the low is in. And for us to get a total confirmation that the low is in the formation of this second wave, I'm watching to see whether QNT is going to give us a 5-wave structure to the upside from the lows we made on the 25th of September, get a 5-wave structure, also get a 3-wave corrective pullback to the downside that continues to hold within Fibonacci key areas of support. And the moment that plays out, then that will be a clear indication that we have a low in place, and in the next coming days we can continue expecting higher prices in the formation of that third wave that should easily give us a break above the high, that is the key area of resistance, above the 125.46 USDT mark, flip that key area back into support maybe with a retest, break above the highs we made in the formation of that first wave, above the 136 USDT mark, and continue pushing higher even more aggressively, maybe to the areas above the 150 and the 163 USDT mark as our next target areas. We also need to be very cautious because in case BTC gets rejected, then I will be expecting a similar case scenario here on the QNT chart, where we can easily see a pullback back into this blue target area, maybe getting one more new low before we get our reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. So for now, we need to be very cautious because in case we get a rejection on the BTC chart, then we can easily get one more new low here on the QNT chart within this blue target area before the mega reversal to the upside in that wave 3. So that is all that I expect on the QNT chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.